Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be following Lucy Hale's Vogue tutorial because I love Lucy Hale. I love Pretty Little Liars, so why not follow her Vogue tutorial? And just like the Madison Beer one, I will not be doing the skincare portion of it. I will just be doing the makeup part. And I don't have all the products, but I've tried to choose some products that I think look similar to the ones that she used. So let's get on with it.
So I'm the lightest shade, but what's really cool about this is it comes out white and then it blends into your skin. So I like to use my hands, but I also have this, and you just kind of rub it in till you see no white, and done. No, I'm just kidding.
I didn't actually get a foundation. We do need to do that really quick. What is my boom. I think I'm going to use the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation, the Naked Skin one, because it's quite lightweight, and yeah, hopefully it's not too light now though because of my skin. I'm just going to have to use like a beauty blender kind of thing because this is, it's not going to work otherwise. Oh, she doesn't use a primer, by the way. I love it. Oh, look how white that is compared. So what she does next? Oh.
I hope you got my spam.
I ain't got any spam because I'm filming. I'd literally turn the camera on and I'm sorry.
You are not answering.
Right, so let's see what she does next.
The makeup I couldn't live without is concealer. This is a Dior. This one I'm going to use for, scrape the edges off. I'm going to use under my eye. I do around the nose. Any place you want to brighten up a little bit. I do chin.
Don't have that concealer. Use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in this satin finish. She said she was going for a really natural look, so we're going to use that. We're going to apply it the same as she does under the eyes. So just sort of like this. So I have this Revolution eyeshadow brush that I do usually, is this the right one? Yeah, that I do usually use for concealer sometimes. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to see what she does next, because I'm not sure how I feel about this look so far.
I kind of just...
You're mean. Why? Because you are. Why? Where does it?
Cinema Secrets. You just want to set the spots, the zits you've covered, and you just dab it over top so it gets sealed. And what I'll do is I'll go under my eyes, and you can powder wherever else you get oily, which is...
Don't have that powder, but we do have the Huda Beauty, this lid's on upside down, Sugar Cookie Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder.
I like contour, don't get me wrong, I'm just not great at it, so usually I leave that to the professionals, but I'm gonna try it today. This is Huda Beauty. I like a cream contour. I find that it's easier to blend on, and you just kind of put it right under your cheekbone, which mine's here, I think. And then you just wanna like buff that in. We don't want any streaks.
She is adorable, first off. Like, she's so bubbly during this. I read some of the comments, and a lot of the comments are really mean and negative, but like how she's literally so cute for this. So I do have the same contour, Huda Beauty Tantour. This is the shade medium though. And she puts it under her cheekbone. And she does also, further on in the video, do a little bit on her nose. we're going to blend that in. Really buffs it in there. I nearly dropped them over. That is the contour all blended and done.
I'm going to stick with the pink shades today. Get a flat brush. First, I'm going to get this like sheer pink color. And we're just going to put that all over the eye.
So she uses the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I do not have that palette. I've nearly bought it, but I haven't quite bought it. I'm going to use the Maddie Ziegler palette, if I can open it. I'm going to take the shade Material Girl, which is this, Maddie Girl, this one, mixed with Angel, so it makes the sheer pink shade she was doing. Okay. The next shade.
Okay, so we have the base color. We are going to do, this is a cream shadow. So you can, like I said, I like to use my fingers, but you can use a brush if you want. I'm just gonna put it all over the lid.
So she has like a really pretty cream shadow. I'm going to try this Galactic Lid Gloss. Shimmer and Shine in Zodiac. Looks like this. Rose gold. I'm excited for the next part. Let's find out.
Now we have our eye. So what I'm going to do now, before I go to the bottom, I'm going to take this top brown colored. I have this. This is actually an eyebrow brush, but I'm using it for liner, and so you just make sure you tap. I'm just going to put it right near the lash line, just so that it pops my eye a little.
Okay. When I vaguely listened to the brown thing, I got this palette out, and I was going to use this shade, this one here, but now hers looks more like a bronzer shade. We'll use this shade here, Incense. Okay. I think that's quite cute. This takes forever to load.
Popping your eyes. You can get a black or a dark brown. I typically like dark brown, but this is a black, and you're gonna put it on your waterline, which can be difficult for some people. I can kind of do it without a mirror at this point.
I'm going to use the I Love Revolution eyeliner, and I think I'm going to go with what she said first. I know she used black in the video, but she said she likes to use brown, so I'm going to use the brown one on here. It's the upper waterline that she does. Next step.
So I'm gonna do lashes next. This is so dirty. Don't judge me.
No.
But typically, I'll curl. I always get nervous. Okay. You just want to like pulse it, and then like one big squeeze at the end. Wow. All right, next mascara. This is my favorite right now. It's Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara called Caution.
Use my eyelash curler. Mine's dirty too. It's fine. She pulses it. And it's just on. I don't have the Hourglass mascara, so I'm just going to use Charlotte Tilbury lash, like I said with the other one. This is the Pillowtalk Push Up Lashes, and it's got like a similar-ish brush to the one she's using.
I'm going to go back with this cream shadow, but you're just going to like put it along the bottom. They don't make it anymore. Lappery. Anyway, you just kind of get a little, and I always dab on my hands so you don't look like a clown. I just put it on my cheek, like at the apple of my cheeks, because I'm going to apply some more blush. So you're just gonna like dab that in.
So like I said, they don't make that anymore and I don't have that. So I'm going to use the Iconic London blush in Cheeky Coral. So it's like this shade. It's similar to what she has. What?
There. So I always start with a cream, let it kind of dry a little bit, and then I'll come in with my powders. I'm just going to mix them together. So you can go in with your stipple brush. You can use... This isn't necessarily a blush brush, but I can't really find one. And then I go in and blend it all in with my blender. So I'm going to use, this one's still a little wet, so we're going to use this guy.
So she uses 2 different shades, but I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics one because it's got like 2 different shades in it that are similar to the one she was using. I'm going to take my blush brush and do what she does, which is apply this on top. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go in with this shade here.
Now we're going to highlight. This is my favorite part. Sometimes I'll use a cream highlighter, but today I'm using Charlotte Tilbury. I love this palette. It's got a contour and a highlight. I'm just going to get some on the brush. And you're just going to want to go where like where the light naturally hits you. So I do it like upper cheekbones. Sometimes like I'll get some powder and I'll put it right below the brow. Chin, if you want.
We'll leave her there for a second and we'll do this part. So we have this. It's so cute. So we're going to take the highlight shade like she does and highlight where the light would naturally hit us, like she says. We'll do what she does. And next point.
You can get a concealer. And this is Charlotte Tilbury. And you just like put it on the nose where the light would hit you.
I have the concealer. So let's... Oh, we don't have the exact one. We have one similar. This is still Charlotte Tilbury.
She's all glowy. Brows have become my thing. I am fascinated by brows. Anastasia in dark brown. Sometimes I won't fill in. Sometimes I'll just... It's all about the brush up. But today I'm just gonna fill in where they seem a little sparse.
Okay, so let's start by brushing up the brows. Mine are not as thick and full as Lucy's. Like, I'm not that blessed. I don't know why that's as angled as it is. I'm going to use the Max Factor Brow Shaper in dark brown, deep brown, should I say, just to fill in any areas. Mine are quite sparse all over, so I'm basically just filling them in. They're probably as feathery as I'm going to get them. My brows do not cooperate.
So now you have more of like a feathered look, and now we're ready for brow gel. This is Urban Decay Brow Tamer. I like a clear gel because mine are so bold and thick.
So I don't have that. I have the Benefit 24 Brow Setter though. 24 Hour Brow Setter. I don't know what to use a coloured one. This is clear, like hers, and we're gonna do what she says and brush these to the side, and then brush up.
To get like, you can use an eyeshadow, but I'm gonna get this like pink color right here, and I like to put it in the corners of my eyes, and it just kind of pops them a little.
Okay, so I think I'm going to use the Norvina palette we used a minute ago and take the shade Wild Child, which is this pink shade here, just a teeny bit, and pop it where she said. Oh, that might be a low, actually.
So now we're gonna do lips. This is Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. So I have lip balm on, so I'm gonna like take some of that off. And so the top lip I like to line a little normally, and the bottom lip I'll all over line.
Okay, so we have the Charlotte Tilbury lip sheet. This is Pillow Talk, but this is the Pillow Talk 2 one. Because I don't have the Pillow Talk medium one. Just trying to get as much of that lip balm off. And she lines her upper lip as normal. Wow, that looks really brown.
This is Pillow Talk, but in a new version. This is Pillow Talk 2 medium, so it's a little deeper than this regular Pillow Talk color. And then this is just like a pink, more of a paler pink than I'm used to, but I kind of just put a layer of that, blend it in, and then we're gonna go over with the Pillow Talk medium.
So I don't have the lip crayon shoes to start with, so I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. This is like a pinkish colour. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to work because obviously the Pillow Talk I have underneath is the dark one. And then I do have the Pillow Talk 2 lipstick as well.
Matte, but this is amazing. Fenty, and it's just really pretty and natural and glossy.
Fenty. This is the shade Fussy. I'm not sure what shade she actually used. I tried to click on the link and it wouldn't show me.
Now we're gonna do hair.
We're not. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoy doing these like following Vogue makeup tutorial things and finding different looks. I do think the Madison Beer one is my favourite at the minute. Like, maybe this one would have been better if I actually did have the Pillow Talk lipstick. But it was cute. It's turned out okay. But yeah. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I love you.